Welcome down to Thorpe Park and welcome to Hyperia. We are 14 days from opening, and needless to say there's a lot going on the site, a lot of planting, a lot of floor work. We expect it to test at some point today as well. You can see actually that fencing's been put right along here, so there was initially, I think on the plans, going to be a portal through from here, but there's definitely not going to be a portal now. This is very much a block off, one entrance, one exit. But you can certainly see the work that's going on, and you can see the exit path here, which comes out and enters the shop. So that will be all barricaded in. You can see it's all fenced in. And there's the ride in the gorgeous sunshine. The park have said that around this area will obviously grow up over the years as the plants are in place. Looks like we'll get some wood chip down as well. Finish it off really, really nicely, whilst obviously there's still perimeter bits to do. I think it will come along, but it's great to see that queue lines and fences and things are all installed. They're only 2 weeks away from opening day. Amazing, I can't believe we're approaching the end of this project. Now right in front of us you can see that snack hut which will be going in. We're doing the morning tests at the moment with the train, stopping them at different points on the lift hill. Certainly not unusual. You can see station buildings come along really, really nicely. Certainly from this side looks complete. We will get a view from the other side as well, don't worry, but this hut is completely new since we were last here. You can see the pathway through there. Right over the back you can see the water jets. We did see them on a previous update. Don't quite know how they're going to react yet and where they're going to go, but all this has been enclosed. We can see flooring is done as well. We'll try and get a closer look at that in a second. The sign and entrance is ready to go up. There's the Hyperia entrance. You can see more slats are being installed at the moment for the wing on the other side, before the main sign is put up in the middle. And then just in front here is the food building. The side of the food building's been nicely finished off. Actually come together really well. You can see a lot of groundwork's been done as well down here. And of course your queue, there's a lot of people on site today, but your queue coming right across here is being installed as we speak. Yeah, loads gone on. They are doing some filming at the work today, and the old model, which was sitting in the main shop, that is making its way somewhere as part of the filming. And the corner bit is now done. And you can see the fencing and the perimeter and how it will be around here. You might be able to hear Hyperia going around in the background. Now interestingly around here we still have a concrete pillar. So I don't know whether or not there's going to be something mounted on that. It's certainly obviously not part of the ride. You can see the queue line going behind it, it will go up against it. I'm interested to see what they put on that. The building in the background, actually the maintenance building, is looking fantastic. We'll get a shot over of that very shortly. So John Burton is here filming today. Not 100% sure what he's filming, but they are here filming today around the Hyperia site. I'll let you take in some of the background details and queue lines and things whilst we be nosy. Notice the squeak has gone, now it's bedded in. Little details like speakers as well, gold ones at that, have also been installed in the station. And that's our update for today. It's our penultimate update this. There is one more left before the big day. No, we haven't kept count or labelled them because we've got better things to do. But rest assured, there's one more left.